or the assessment. Protect your business with Blue Violet team.
So this was basic introduction about the company, and so basically that guy Jay is my co-founder, right? So he's a Gujarati guy. तो वो हमारा आई नहीं करना गुजराती में आप लोगों के साथ में इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हो, right? So basically who am I? I am a human being, yes. So myself Ashish. So till 2019 I was a security consultant, basically freelancer security consultant. Yes, I was also leading a threat intelligence team. So basically, when it comes to threat intelligence, we basically also.
कोई था पता देखा था तुमने?
I co-founded Blue Fire IT with my co-founder Jay. So basically, I made security teams very efficient. So just to give like glimpse of what I used to do. Basically, I used to work with different companies. I worked with more than 8-9 companies around the globe. Talking about security all day, very efficiently working these days. We are working with Project Zero also these days, and we are also expanding our reach. Again, I need the technical execution at my company. Not only the co-founder, I also do the technical part for the company. I handle the team, I build processes, I build methodologies, and I make them efficient, and I make sure that my clients are very secure in the first place. Again, business operations. So basically, I am not an MBA. I am just a BTech in computer science and engineering. I have no background of any sort of MBA and stuff, business management. But yes, after interacting with a lot of business guys, a lot of good sales guys, like Nokia and HCL, I got to learn about business and all. That is when building your network is very crucial. You don't need an MBA coming in, sir. You really don't need an MBA coming in. You need enthusiasm coming in, and you need to interact with a lot of good guys in the industry. All right. Okay. So some bits about us. Basically, I'll be sharing a few insights about our company. Again, मैंने बोला था हर slide में कहीं ना कहीं business से related lesson होगा. Make sure you are putting emphasis to this. So you can see that we are a bootstrap business. Anybody know what is a bootstrap business? Any insights? Anybody know what is a bootstrap business? Right. Startups are basically funded. So they are funded startup. They raise funding from different basically investors. And what is a bootstrap is I am running a business. I am building a business by my own money. Right. तो मैंने तो अपने पापा से भी नहीं लिए थे पैसे, क्योंकि पापा थोड़े अनसर्टेन थे यार, है ना, होता है जनरली, क्योंकि मेरी I have no background in business. My father is an engineer himself. Everybody is an engineer. Nobody is a businessman in the world. In basically my entire family tree. I am the first businessman. So basically, a bootstrap business means you are starting a business with your own money. Right? You are not at all raising funds. You can raise a few rounds after basically a reach a few level of revenue, and you can then basically expand your business with taking funds. Right? Alright. So basically, we started this business in 2020 just before the pandemic began, and for good 9 months we had no income. So yes, pandemic was a hard time for almost every businesses, but yes, we still didn't give up. We started this business in 2020 with a lot of realization. अब ये जो realization वाला point है, we'll be discussing in the next slide कि कैसे businesses आजकल they're lacking a lot of realizations. आपके जैसे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, they are lacking a lot of realization. हम realize नहीं करते छोटी-छोटी चीज़ों को जो बहुत important होती है, ठीक है, हमारे entire career में भी और business startups और entrepreneurship में भी. So we started with a team of three friends working at a company, and then we founded a company, and now we are a team of 15 plus elites in India, security elites. We have a good 15-20 team, 15-20 security consultants in the US also with a partner, and then we are also operational in the European region with a newer brand known as the Red Shield Defense, and I'll be sharing insights to it also. Right.